Small rapper, gang.
I'm about to blow your mind, check this out. Stick with me here because in the end I'm gonna show you how to gain 10 times the fans from this method, okay? Just stick with me, I'm breaking it down. Bang, what up Small Rapper Gang? Today we're talking about, look, never pay a rapper for promo. This is what I want you to do instead. I'm gonna talk to you guys about pretty much the difference between what happens if you would pay a major rapper, talking about like a big rapper, like a big name rapper for a collaboration, the benefits of it, and then also that versus the smart music marketing strategy I'm going to tell you in this video, okay? So in this video, I'm going to show you how to gain 10 times the fans than an uninformed rapper who hasn't seen this video would be able to gain. And that's not an exaggeration, I actually break down the math for you. It's 10 times. I want you to take this formula, this method, and apply it when you start doing collaborations with bigger artists, which I'm sure you're gonna get to one day, which I know that you know you're gonna get to one day, right? I get a lot of questions about music marketing because, well, at the end of the day, music marketing is actually the biggest component of you growing as an artist. If you make a song and no one listens, it's like the song didn't exist. It doesn't matter if it's a hit song. If no one listens, no one cares, you don't grow, you don't have fans, you give up on yourself. So music marketing is essential, and I'm gonna give you guys some really good advice in this video. I had a fan ask question about whether a rapper should buy a collaboration from a bigger rapper for $1,000 to $2,500, or if it would be smarter for the person to take that money and use it for ads. In this video, I'm gonna clue you in on a few things, okay? Let's say that you buy a collaboration from a rapper like NBA Youngboy, right? $10,000 collaboration, okay? And I know you probably don't have $10,000 extra dollars to buy a collaboration. But I want to use this as an example because it could be used for the same, for an artist that you only have to pay $1,000 for, but I want to use a bigger rapper name. I don't even know anybody who you would be able to collab with for $1,000 that you would even know the name of. So we're pretending like it's $10,000. But the same rules apply here, so stick with me. Now if you got a collab from NBA Youngboy, you would now have a star artist verse on one of your songs. Sounds good, right? The thing is when you buy a verse from an artist, it generally does not come with additional marketing or promotion from the artist. It just comes with the verse that they give you. The management team of the bigger artist does not want that artist promoting any other projects except for things that directly align with him and things that are gonna make him money so that he can see more growth for himself. So now even if you have a collaboration from a bigger artist, you still have to go out there and market the song. It only markets itself now because it has a big rapper's name on it, meaning that most people are now more likely to click on it because it has a major artist name on it that they recognize. But you still have to get the song in front of people before they can click it. You see the issue, don't you? Buying a verse from a bigger artist doesn't get you eyeballs on your music. It just gives you more credit when people do happen to see it. So if you had a verse, you'd still have to get it in front of his fans. Stick with me here because in the end I'm gonna show you how to gain 10 times the fans from this method, okay? Just stick with me, I'm breaking it down. And this will work with any collab from any rapper. The secret to this video is you wouldn't even need them to promote the song. Now real quick, I know some smaller artists will charge you additional money after they sell you a verse. Let's say they sell you a verse for $1,000. They'll be like, hey, for an extra $500, we'll promote it on our Instagram, our Twitter, our Facebook, you know, and then their fans would actually see it, so you gain fans from that person promoting a collaboration between you two, right? Let me explain something to you about the YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram algorithm real quick. Let's say that you bought a verse from a rapper for $1,000 and that rapper has 50,000 followers or subscribers across all of their social media. 50,000 on Instagram, 50,000 on YouTube, 50,000 on Facebook, okay? On Facebook, only 2% of people organically see a post. That means that only 1,000 of the 50,000 likes on his or her Facebook page that you bought the verse from the artist from would even see it. Only 2%, that's 1,000 people, and how many are even gonna click it? 400 people? On Instagram, generally 10% to 15% of their audience or followers see the post, if that. And on YouTube, there's a lot more factors. I'm not even gonna go into that. So basically, you pay an artist an extra $500 to promote the song for you to only get seen by around 5,000 people. That's nothing. That doesn't really seem like it's worth $500 unless you have that extra money to give to him for that, right? But I'm assuming you're on a tight budget, so you can't just be throwing $500 at something. I'm about to blow your mind, check this out. Do you know how many people, targeted people, like specific, you could target exactly who you want to target? Do you know how many people you could reach with $500 on a Facebook post? 50,000 people. 50,000 targeted people, okay? Even 50,000 fans, straight from his page. His own 50,000 people on his Facebook page, has 50,000 likes of his fans. You could reach every single one of those people for that $500 instead of only reaching about 5,000 people across the platforms. See why this is much more beneficial? Hold on, we're still working here. What I recommend, because this is the smart rapper thing to do, is you combine these two things. Let's say you have a budget of $1,000. Find a mid to small sized artist who has a fan base of 30 to 50,000 people who would do a collab with you for $500. And trust me, these artists like money and they need money. Also see what they charge to promote their song as well, additionally, or if it comes as a package. If it's too expensive, skip it. Now check this out. You could take that same money that they wanted to promote the song to their audience, let's say it was $500, and you would take that same $500 and use it for YouTube ads, Facebook ads, and Instagram ads. And you'll be able to reach literally 10 times the people. Because when I tell you organically, you only reach around 5,000 people if they post it. But if you target it, targeting their fans, people who already like their pages, who are more likely to click it and become a fan of you because you have a collaboration with the artist, right? You get 50,000 people instead of 5,000 people to see it. This is smart rapper marketing. Again, you go from only being able to reach 5,000 of his people to reaching targeted all of them, 50,000. Now, of course, you need to learn how to do Facebook ads, but it's not nearly as complicated as you think it is. I have an entire course coming on how music artists can do Facebook ads, YouTube ads, and Instagram ads. Super easy. I'll step by step show you how to set it up and how to target fans of artists who your music sounds like. So for instance, let's just say, for example, let's say that you sound like Lil Pump. If you make music and you sound like Lil Pump, in the course, I'm gonna show you how to target Lil Pump's fans. So when they hear your music, like, oh, I like this. This sounds like what I already like. Because that's how you do it. You find people who already like the sound that you make, you target them, and then they become fans of you. This is how you do it if you're using marketing dollars. I'm gonna put a link below for that course. It'll be coming extremely soon, so be on the lookout for that. And make sure that you're a member of at least the free level of the Smart Rapper community so you can get more of this information in all these courses. You just became a smarter rapper. Let's recap real quick, okay? Don't waste your money buying a big artist collaboration unless you have a bunch of extra money, right? And even if they do, if they're gonna charge you a bunch of extra money for promo, keep that money and spend it on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube ads, okay? Because that's how you really go about it. You're gonna reach 10 times the people. You gotta be smart with your money. And then when you're growing, you're gonna make more money and you can spend more money on the ads. And you can keep getting in front of the same people over and over again. That's what you want. You wanna keep being exposed to the same people until they see your name enough to where they actually click and say, I know this name. They click it and then they become a fan over time. Generally, when people become a fan of you, it's because they've heard your music or they've seen your name enough to where they finally give you a chance. And you know that's how it is, okay? And then people start talking about you, the ball just gets rolling and you gain that momentum. Anyway, you just became a smarter rapper. Check out all of the links below. I'm gonna show you guys I got a whole bunch of courses on marketing and stuff like that too. I got 136 marketing ideas. It's a 3-hour course, video course, that shows you everything you need to know about marketing your music from $0 low-cost strategies all the way up to, you know, paid strategies. But I have all this stuff for you guys. Get in the Smart Rapper community. It's free to sign up. I'll put a link below for that. Join the mixtape level. Get your free A&R contacts. Get your free contracts for the music industry. Those are also free downloads in there, so you guys don't have to worry about getting screwed in a deal sometime because you have the templates. You just fill them in and stuff like that. I got tons of free stuff for you guys. We're growing thousands of people already in the community. We're killing it. I love y'all. All right, I'm gonna see you guys again tomorrow with another video. Keep hustling, gang. I hope this video helped you out. I'll see you at the top.
Smart Rapper Gang.